Peanut biscuits recipe. 1 cup 150 grams roasted peanuts, unsalted, finely chopped or ground. 1¼ cups 160 grams all-purpose flour. 1/2 cup 100 grams sugar. 1/2 cup 115 grams unsalted butter softened. 1/4 tsp baking powder. 1/4 tsp salt omit if using salted butter. 1 egg yolk optional for richness. 1/2 tsp vanilla extract optional. 1. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper or lightly grease it. 2. In a mixing bowl, cream the softened butter and sugar until light and fluffy. 3. Add the egg yolk if using and vanilla extract. Mix well. 4. In a separate bowl, combine the flour, baking powder, and salt. Gradually add this mixture to the wet ingredients, mixing until a soft dough forms. 5. Fold in the chopped or ground peanuts. 6. Take small portions of dough about 1 tablespoon and roll them into balls. 7. Flatten each ball slightly with your palm or the back of a fork to create a biscuit shape. 8. Place the shaped biscuits on the prepared baking sheet, leaving about an inch of space between them. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes or until the edges are golden brown. 9. Let the biscuits cool on the baking sheet for 5 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. For extra crunch, sprinkle a few chopped peanuts on top before baking. Store the biscuits in an airtight container. They'll stay fresh for up to a week. Enjoy your homemade peanut biscuits. I hope you like this recipe. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon. And on which recipe to make next video, please let us know in the comment section. If you want to watch more delicious videos, I have put the link in the description. So don't forget to check out the description.